Hi, I'm Shawn Hobson, Energy Products Distribution's Installation Trainer. I'd like to welcome you to our 3M DI-NOC Certification Center. Let me show you around. So in this room, we have a few other types of substrates that an individual will commonly come across in the field. We have these panels, which are simulating elevators, and they have the hardware attached, so we're able to practice not just applying the film to the elevator substrate, but also trimming around a handle that cannot be removed. So that's a practical application. And then we have our doors. They're mounted to the walls, but they are fully functional. So a student has the opportunity to learn to completely wrap both sides and the edges of a door frame, including cutting around fixed hardware like hinges and windows and doorknobs. Again, trying to reproduce what is going to be dealt with on a regular basis in an atmosphere that's conducive to learning. So some other common structures that will be experienced in real-world application are rounded corners, such as simulated by this tabletop and this square top. So a student gets the opportunity to do what we call 3D wrapping, actually laminating the DI-NOC to the top flat surface, but wrapping it around a completely curved edge and affixing it to the underside. We also have a square version of that, normal tabletop with sharp edges. So they're able to simulate both cutting those edges and wrapping, as well as doing it without cutting. We actually heat and completely wrap the edges without any cuts. Another situation installers often find themselves in is having to wrap a column. So we've simulated a column. It's on a little smaller scale, but it gives the trainee the opportunity to wrap a round object and also understand how to trim that effectively up against a ceiling or a floor so that it comes out looking neat and clean. So this is a room where a lot of our training actually takes place. We use this full-size cutting table. It's an 8-foot table. We're able to pull the film out, make our cuts, measure accurately, as well as do some training right on the top of the table for practicing squeegeeing, as well as some of the smaller type applications, such as this substrate is used for to simulate wrapping a cabinet door or drawer front. We also use this area for our supplies. All of our tape measures, heat guns, cleaning supplies, masking tape, markers, and tools are kept in this area in a nice, neat way. And the trainees have full access to all of this while they're working so that they can come and go, get what they need without any difficulty and continue in the process in a very relaxed setting and one that they can find will be very conducive to learning. So I'd like to extend to you an invitation to our next DI-NOC Architectural Finishes training class. As you've seen, we're fully outfitted with all of the templates necessary to give you a top-level training experience. I hope to see you soon.